Dry aged steaks. Are they really worth it? Let's find out. How to make them? You'll only need 3 things. A prime rib rack, a vacuum sealer that makes the whole process easier, and home dry aging bags that allow anyone to try dry aging at home without any fancy equipment. Get on a pair of gloves to keep everything nice and sanitary. Now, transfer the meat into the dry aged bag directly. The less contact you have with the meat, the better. The bag will allow moisture to escape but prevent anything from coming in. Get it in the vacuum sealer and massage the bag as it works to get as much air out as possible. Hey, that's looking pretty good. Also a great seal. Place it on a rack that will allow it to breathe from all over, and in the fridge it goes for at least 21 days. After 21 days in the fridge, this is what's left. Wow, look at that color on the outer layer. They call this the rind or pellicules. Hard as a rock and not really edible, so we need to shave it off to get to our steaks. This is why we need a thick piece. The larger the piece of meat, the less relative waste. And after our little shaving session, this is what's left. The color is a dark red. The feel is oily and quite different from a regular steak. Interested to see how this comes out. Gonna season it with salt and pepper like a normal steak. One is gonna be reverse seared and the other is gonna be cooked in the air fryer. My wife likes hers well done. The wife is always right. The thermometer probe goes into the steak and into the oven it goes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This steak's going to be cooked medium rare, so once it gets to 125 internal temp, out it goes. The air fryer cooks things much faster, so once the oven steak is 70% done, in goes the probe, and then it goes into the air fryer. Now, we just wait for that bad boy to hit temp. Are you liking this video? Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and keep up with all the videos that we have coming up. You won't regret it. Alright, back to it. Our oven steak is ready, and it's time to take it out. I know it doesn't look so good right now, but don't worry, we're going to fry it up and give it a nice searing color. The air fryer beeped at the same time, so out he goes as well to rest for 10 minutes. Touch, definitely juicy and well done. Hope my wife likes it. It looks delicious, not as great as a crust as I would like, but taste is most important. Time to sear off the oven steak. Grapeseed oil in a cast iron on high heat. Once it's smoking hot, add in your steak. Keep it in there for no more than a minute per side. The point is just to get a nice crust and sear on both sides. There we go. Out it goes to rest for about 10 minutes. And don't touch it, just watch the juices ooze out. And when done, it's a taste testing time. Let's find out if it's worth it to dry age. Alright guys, 21-day-old dry aged ribeye steak. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, it cuts well. Whoa. You can see me trying to describe this taste. It's very different. Thinking about it, it's more intense flavor of meat than your traditional steak. I think either you'll love it or you won't like it at all. Now, as we cut through it, you'll see it's a perfect medium rare. I think still I'm going to stick to traditional steaks. The fragrance of dry age is not the same, the taste is a bit different, and honestly, I guess it's just not for me. There you have it, 21-day-old dry aged steak, right here on Impossibly Kosher. Now wasn't that a great video? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, check out this video.